Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can group in BricsCAD, so let's get straight into it. Now the quick command, it will be just type in here into the command line group and press enter. The objects are like that, group by name, description, selectable, so entity of group you can select here, okay? And now when you select all of them, you have them now grouped together. So you can move them, all of them, like so. So if you want to toggle grouping on and off, so this is more for if you need sometimes to edit just one piece of a group without exploding it, just use the shortcut, so Ctrl H. You will see here under the command line, you will see status bar, you will see pick style or group. So we are now in pick style, new current value of pick style, so like that. So when it's off, you can move individual items. When it's on, the group acts as a single object again. And yeah, this is how you can group in BricsCAD. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.